English 9, Quarter 4, Module 1, judge the relevance in words of ideas, soundness of author's reasoning, and the effectiveness of the presentation. Which of the following statements is reliable? Number 1, Typhoon Odette devastated the entire Philippine archipelago. Number 2, just wait, I will use pointer. Number 2, I heard that the next municipalities do not have electricity restored yet. Number 3, the government did not do anything to help the system victims. Letter D, death toll due to Typhoon Odette climbs to 389 according to NDRRMC. Our answer is letter, okay, so there's no letter here, but that is death toll due to Typhoon Odette climbs to 389 according to NDRRMC. What makes a statement reliable? It is based on opinion. It is supported by credible sources. It is widely shared on social media. It is what most people believe. Answers? Okay. It is supported by credible resources. What sources of information is reliable? Letter A, Facebook post. Letter number 2, unofficial news and agency. Number 3, a neighbor's gossip. Number 4, an anonymous online blog. I'm sleepy now. Alright, so our answer is unofficial news agency. Which of the following is not reliable? Not reliable. Number 1, information from NDRRMC. Letter B, a direct interview with government officials. Letter number 3, a radio broadcasters there. Broadcasters' personal opinion. Number 4, a verified news report. Our answer is a radio broadcaster's personal opinion. How can we determine if news is reliable? It is posted on a viral social media page. Number 2, it is supported by factual evidence. Number 3, it is dramatic and exaggerated. Number 4, it is based on something personal belief. Our answer is it is supported by factual evidence. With what is the quality of being based on valid reason or good judgment? Number 1, effectiveness. Number 2, soundness. Number 3, relevance. Number 4, worthiness. So our answer is soundness. Number 7, the quality or state of being closely connected or appropriate is called. Number 1, soundness. Number 2, effectiveness. Number 3, relevance. And number 4, worthiness. Our answers, relevance. The quality of being good enough or suitable is called soundness, worthiness, effectiveness, relevance. Our answer is worthiness, good enough. Okay, number 9, the degree of which something is successful in producing a desired result is called soundness, worthiness, effectiveness, relevance. Answer is effectiveness. What is the act of forming an opinion or conclusion about something? Investigating, judging, guessing, assuming. Judging. Our answer is judging. A presentation is relevant when? Letter A. It contains unrelated topics. Letter B, it directly support the main topic. Number Okay, letter C, it includes personal opinions only. Letter D, it lacks a factual evidence. Answer is letter B. Alright, so which of the following is a sign of a related presentation? It is entertaining but off topic. It always focused on the topic. Letter C, it includes random details. Letter D, it presents contradictory ideas about without explanation. So letter B is our answer. What makes a supporting details effective? Letter A, they are long and complex. Letter B, they directly support the main idea. Letter C, they are based on assumptions. Letter D, they are exaggerated for impact. Our answer is letter B. Which of the following does not contribute to relevance? Letter A, staying on topic, using strong supporting details, adding unrelated information, clearly explaining ideas. Why is wordiness important in presentation? It ensures the presentation is long. It shows that the current content is valuable and credible. It allows more personal opinions. And last one, it makes the topic, yes, it makes the topic sound entertaining. Answer is letter B. A sound argument must have false premises but a true conclusion. Letter B. True premises that justify the conclusion. Letter C. Strong emotional appeal only. Letter D. No supporting evidence. Our answer is letter B. 17. What contributes to an effective presentation? Letter A. Speaking too fast. Letter B. Clear structure and organization. Letter C. Using slang frequently. Letter D. Ignoring the audience's needs. Our answer is letter B. Number 18. An effective presentation considers letter A. The audience's background and understanding. Letter B. Only the presenter's opinion. Letter C. Unrelated details. Letter B. Confusing language. Letter A. Our answer is letter A. What is one way to improve a presentation's effectiveness? Letter A, using visuals to support the content. Letter B, ignoring the logical structure. Antok na talaga ako. Letter C, speaking without preparation. Letter D, avoiding audience engagement. Letter A is the answer. And we have last one. Why is it important to filter information? Letter A, to avoid being deceived by false claims. Letter B, to follow what everyone else believes. Letter C, to ensure all opinions are heard. Yeah, our answer is letter A. And thank you everyone. Good luck to your exam.